today we'll be starting with the next topic, that is our Zener diode. Zener diode we have already completed in the previous lecture. Now in today's lecture, we will be completing the next part, that is your photodiode. Yes, everyone is familiar, right? Students, you are all familiar with the Zener diode. What is a Zener diode and how it works? Last time we have completed with the application part, that is Zener diode as a voltage regulator. So this what part was completed in the last previous lecture. Okay, both of you, are you able to hear it? Am I audible first of all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So applications of Zener diode was completed in the previous lecture. We have completed with the voltage regulator part, and today we'll be starting with what is a photodiode. So photodiode kya hai and how it is applicable for us in our day-to-day life, that we'll be learning today. So basic principle of photodiode, last introductory lecture itself, I have told you that what is a photodiode and how it works. So basic principle kya hai photodiode ka? Photodiode is basically, it's a specially designed diode. Means it is designed for a specific purpose. And what is the purpose? Purpose is very, very simple. In order to convert our light energy into the electrical energy. So whenever we want to convert our light energy, the source, into the electrical energy, what can we do? We can simply use a photodiode, which is a specifically designed diode. And it's a simple PN junction diode, but it is designed in somewhat different way. And what is a designing feature? What makes it so special? And how the designing takes place, that we'll be learning in this lecture. So basically, if we divide the word photodiode, last lecture I've already told, the photodiode may up basically what is going to happen whenever photons are going to get incident on this diode, that is our simple PN junction diode. What will happen? There will be a conversion of our photon, that is light energy, into the electrical energy. So light energy will be getting converted into electrical energy with the help of photodiode. So that is the basic principle of photodiode. Now, what can we have the symbols for it? So there are certain symbols. If you see the diagram over here we have the symbol for photodiode. So this is this photodiode. This is how it looks like. It's the basic symbol. So ये PN junction ही है, right? Simple triangle and a line. And the base of the triangle is nothing but the anode part, and the line part is nothing but the cathode part. So this is the anode and this is your cathode, the positive terminal and the negative terminal. And how do we just show that it is different than the PN junction diode? Basically, we are showing some two arrows over here. And these arrows, kaise hai? They are incident on this diode. So why they are incident? They show that whenever the light or the photons are incident on this diode, what will happen? They will convert this light energy into the electrical energy, and which we can use it for our purpose. Okay, so what this detector or this photodiode is also known as photodetector or photosensor. Okay, it has two different or three different names. You can call it as a photodiode. You can call it as a photodetector because it can detect light also, and it can be called as photosensor, that whenever light is incident on this type of diode, what will happen? It can sense the emission of light. It can sense that incident light, and it can again convert that light into electrical energy. So that transformation of energy or that conversion of energy can be taken place by using this photodiode. In the picture that is shown just above of this diagram, what we see, there are simple photodiodes. There are types of photodiodes. How are the packages of photodiodes coming in the market? So these are some four different packaging of photodiode. It can come in this way. It can come in this form also, in a rectangular form, in a square form. In different forms, you can see the photodiode packaging. So depending upon the type of requirement, जैसा requirement है आपका, depending on that we can use different types of photodiodes. Again they have different values. अब ऐसा diode को बनाने का तरीका क्या है? What is the method of synthesis? How do we prepare such a type of diode? So as we all know, PN junction diode कैसे बनाते हैं? Shravani, can you just tell me how a PN junction diode is formed? कैन यू जस्ट टेल कि बेसिकली कैसे आप पीएन जंक्शन को फॉर्म करते हैं? यस, कम ऑन फास्ट. Shravani, you have to answer the question. Fast, you have to answer. Let it be wrong, but you need to answer here. Okay? Are you able to hear my question? First of all. Yes, Shravani, are you able to hear it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how is the PN junction formed? PN junction अगर form करना है तो कैसे करना है? Okay, Shravan, do you know the answer? Last in the previous lectures, I have already told that how a PN junction is formed. अगर PN junction आपको form करना है तो many times as class people have also told that कि कैसे form करते हैं, but you people were also there in that lecture. Now let me know how it is formed. अगर आपको PN junction form करना है तो कैसे करेंगे आप? How will you form it? You know the answer, at least you have to tell what is the reason. Fast, come on.
Ma'am, PN junction are formed by using N-type and P-type semiconductors material.
Okay. Okay. And which are those materials? Can you name those materials? Yes. Can you name those materials? Okay, Shravan, can you tell which material is used over there? PN junction form करना है. आप पहले क्या करोगे? You will take a semi-conducting material. For example, silicon ले सकते हैं आप, जर्मेनियम ले सकते हैं. ठीक है. Students, देखो जब हम लोग
Gallium.
हाँ गैलियम, वेरी गुड. तो डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ मटेरियल्स जब आप फॉर्म करते हैं तो जो भी टॉपिक हो रहा है उसका जो भी अंडरस्टैंडिंग का पार्ट है, दैट यू नीड टू हियर इट प्रॉपरली, अंडरस्टैंड इट. वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अगर आपको कंसेप्चुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं है तो फिर बाद में आप पेपर में नहीं लिख पाओगे. तो वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंटली पहले आप क्या करोगे? यू विल टेक अ सेमी कंडक्टर मटेरियल. फॉर every base you will start with a semiconductor material. तो सेमीकंडक्टिंग मटेरियल कौन से होंगे? हमारे इंट्रिंसिक मटेरियल्स होंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल सिलिकॉन हो गया, जर्मेनियम हो गया. तो इन दोनों में से कोई भी वन मटेरियल यू आर टेकिंग, एंड वंस यू हैव टेकन दैट मटेरियल, लेट इट बी अ थिन शीट ओके ऑफ सिलिकॉन फॉर एग्जांपल. तो आप कैसे फॉर्म करोगे? यू वांट टू फॉर्म अ पी टाइप एंड एन टाइप. मींस व्हाट? फॉर पी टाइप and for n type, which impurities you will add? For n type you will add पेंटावैलेंट इम्प्योरिटीज, यानी कि वो इम्प्योरिटी जिसके आउटर मोस्ट शेल में हाउ मेनी इलेक्ट्रॉन शुड बी देयर एक्स्ट्रा? देयर शुड बी हाउ मेनी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स? यस, पेंटावैलेंट इम्प्योरिटी में कितने होते हैं एक्स्ट्रा इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इन द लास्ट और द आउटर मोस्ट शेल? कम ऑन फास्ट, यू हैव टू टेल. पेंटावैलेंट इम्प्योरिटी में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं? Yes, Zian, Shravan, Shravani, fast you have to answer. Pentavalent impurity. How many electrons in the outermost shell? Pentavalent impurity मतलब कितने electrons होंगे outermost shell में? Yes, you will have 3 electrons or you'll have 5 electrons. I give you the option. Yes, fast you have to show your presence. Write in chat section if your mic is not working. Okay. Someone has returned. Okay. 5. Okay. Okay. So 5 is the correct answer. So there are 5 extra electrons in the pentavalent impurity, and for trivalent you are having 3 extra electrons in the outermost shell. So in order to form a n-type material, what you will add? You will add your pentavalent impurity on the n-type doping, and on the p-type what you will do? You will dope with some trivalent impurity. So after doping or after addition of impurity, what you will have? You will have a p-n junction. You will have a p-type and n-type material which will be on a silicon, on the intrinsic semiconductor. So एक बार ये form हो गया, उसके बाद क्या? So after that you can change its biasing. You can make it a forward bias, you can make it a reversed biased diode depending upon the condition. Now अभी photo diode या photo detector या photo sensor में क्या होने वाला है? What is the difference? क्योंकि यहाँ कुछ difference है. It is not your simple PN junction diode. तो इसमें क्या difference है? That the PN junction diode, जो भी photo diode आप बना रहे हो, it is placed inside a glass material. First condition. क्यों glass material है? Because the glass is going to allow your light to be incident on this part of the diode. So light emit होना चाहिए, light incident होना चाहिए. That's why you need a glass case and the glass material. Inside this you have the PN junction diode. So the PN junction diode of a photodiode is placed inside a glass material so that the only junction of photodiode is exposed to the light. तो सिर्फ junctions जो हैं, means the middle part, that is not at all exposed to light. Only the junctions are exposed to light. So junction will be exposed to the light. Remaining part is not going to get exposed to light. The light is incident on only on the junction, only at the center. If you see in the diagram, ये diagram है हमारा. Center में light आपकी incident हो रही है. After that, what is going to happen? The other part of the diode is generally painted opaque color or it is covered. तो उसमें आपको light incident नहीं होने देना है. So what will happen? That other part of the diode is generally painted black or it is opaque in color. Opaque यानी कि transparent नहीं है. It is totally totally dark painted, covered है, transparent नहीं है, opposite of transparent. So that is opaque. So it is totally covered. Only the middle part, only the junction part is allowed to have that light incident on it, और उस पे ही आपका ग्लास मटेरियल का कोटिंग होता है. तो ऐसा है आपका पीएन जंक्शन diode which is enclosed in a glass material, and this type will work as a photodiode. यानी कि क्या? You are partially covering your PN junction diode in such a way that you are getting the photodiode. Remaining parts are getting opaqued or covered or colored, and dark color का coating हो गया. तो यहाँ आपको coating किसकी होती है? सिलिकॉन नाइट्राइड की coating होती है on this diode, so that the light is not allowed to pass through this part of the photodiode. यहाँ डिफ्यूजन मास्क है SiO2 का, यानी कि सिलिकॉन ऑक्साइड का डिफ्यूजन मास्क है यहाँ. एंड हियर द लाइट इज इंसिडेंट एंड हियर इज अवर पीएन जंक्शन मटेरियल. ये ऊपर वाला आपका पी रीजन है, नीचे वाला एन रीजन है. यहाँ लाइट आपके बीच में इंसिडेंट हो रही है एंड यहाँ पूरी आपकी कोटिंग है ब्लैक कलर का जो आपको दिख रहा है. दैट इज ऑल द कोटिंग ऑफ योर सिलिकॉन नाइट्राइड. ठीक है, ये है आपका स्कीमेटिक डायग्राम ऑफ फोटो डायोड. अब देखेंगे इसका वर्किंग प्रिंसिपल. सो अप टिल नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट वी हैव सीन व्हाट इज अ फोटोडायोड, what are its different names, and how it is going to work. Okay, what it does basically, it will convert your light energy into the electrical energy. तीसरा चीज हमने यहाँ देखा है कि ये डायोड डिफरेंट कैसे है बाकी डायोड से, कि यहाँ आपका पीएन जंक्शन जो डायोड है, इट इज इंटायरली कवर्ड इन दी, or entirely it is under the glass material, and some part, only the junction part is exposed to light and remaining part is covered by silicon nitride. Okay, so that it has a opaque color or it is covered, it will not allow any light to pass through it. So that is the basic thing, how it is different from a PN junction diode. Understanding everyone? Yes, everyone is able to understand?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, good. So now next part is working principle of photodiode. So how is a photodiode going to work for you? तो वर्किंग बहुत ही सिंपल है. जैसे आप लोग फॉरवर्ड बायस करते हो पीएन जंक्शन को, रिवर्स बायस करते हो, सिमिलरली व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, वी आर गोइंग टू अप्लाई सम करंट, वी आर गोइंग टू अप्लाई सम वोल्टेज. जो वोल्टेज अप्लाई होगा करंट अपने आप आ जाएगा. So now if you see this diagram which is just adjacent over here, this is our PN junction diode, यानी कि हमारा simple photodiode ही है, but light is incident, that's why it is shown as a photodiode. So only the junction part light emission हो रहा है, बाकी के parts पे आपका covering है, coating है. And what we have done, we have applied some external voltage. So what we have done, we have connected P type with the negative terminal of the voltage, and we have covered N type with the positive terminal of the voltage. Yani ki what we have done, is this the forward bias or is it a reversed bias condition? This is a, which condition is this? When we connect positive with the negative and negative with the positive terminal, what type of biasing is this? Is this a forward bias or is it a reversed bias condition? Yes, tell me, which condition is this? Yes, Zian. Which condition is this? Is this a forward biased condition or is it a reversed biased condition?
Reverse biased
Reversed
condition.
Very good. So Shravani is able to answer. So P type is connected to negative and N type is connected to positive, and this is called as reversed biasing of our photodiode. So we have connected our photodiode in reversed biased condition. So whatever the, now here whatever the current you are going to get, that will be a reversed current, and the reversed current will be depending on the concentration of your minority carriers, not on the applied voltage. तो यहाँ जो भी करंट आ रहा है आपका, ये रिवर्स्ड बायस आपने कंडीशन लगाया है, तो जो भी करंट है वो रिवर्स्ड बायस करंट है, और जो भी वोल्टेज है वो रिवर्स्ड वोल्टेज है. So reversed current will depend on what? It will depend upon the your concentration of minority carriers. यानी कि जो भी आपके minority carriers है यहाँ, उसके concentration पे ये depend करने वाला है. जितना ज्यादा minority carrier है, उतना ज्यादा आपका current आने वाला है. जितना कम आपका minority carrier है, उतना कम आपका reverse current आने वाला है. It will not depend upon the external voltage. It will depend upon the minority carriers. और जो भी ये करंट मिलने वाला है हमको, दिस करंट इज कॉल्ड एज डार्क करंट इन दी फोटोडायोड. बिकॉज why it is called as dark current? Because it is going to flow even when the photodiode is not illuminated. यानी कि ये करंट जो भी आपको मिलने वाला है रिवर्स करंट, दैट करंट इज कॉल्ड एज डार्क करंट. क्यों डार्क करंट है? क्योंकि जब आपका फोटोडायोड में जो भी ये करंट फ्लो होने वाला है, दिस करंट विल फ्लो इवन व्हेन द फोटोडायोड पे लाइट इंसिडेंट नहीं है. पहली बार फोटोडायोड को वर्क करने के लिए आपके पास लाइट होना चाहिए, देन ओनली इट इज गोइंग टू वर्क. ओके, फॉर फोटोडायोड टू वर्क प्रॉपर्ली, you need to have some light incident on it, and if light is not incident on it, photodiode should not work. But still this is going to have some current, and that current is called as dark current. Why it is called as dark current? Very easy and very simple reason कि डार्क मतलब क्यों, डार्क क्यों लगाया है? क्योंकि यहाँ लाइट इंसिडेंट नहीं हो रही है, फिर भी आपके फोटोडायोड में ये करंट प्रेजेंट रहने वाला है. Means what? Even when the current, your photodiode, your light is not incident on this photodiode, it is not illuminated, still this dark current is going to flow through the photodiode. So very simple and exact reason. So whenever a PN junction is illuminated, जब भी आपका PN junction जो है उस पे लाइट पड़ने वाली है, photons will be incident on this, electron hole pairs will be generated in the depletion region. So जब भी क्या होता है, इसकी वर्किंग बहुत ही सिंपल है. Whenever light is incident, okay, light is incident, what will happen? All the photons will come here, will be incident in this region, and all this region will have all the photons which are incident from this light. So all these photons will come in the depletion region. There will be a formation of electron and hole pairs, क्योंकि extra आ गए. Holes are incident, there are photons which are incident, and because of that pair formation होने वाला है. And because of pair formation हमारा जो depletion region होने वाला है, that will be quite large, because pair formation will take place in the depletion region because of the excess photons which were incident in the center or at the center of this PN junction diode. So PN junction diode की वजह से ये एक्स्ट्रा फोटॉन्स जो ऐड हो रहे हैं, इसकी वजह से क्या होने वाला है, आपके यहाँ सेंटर में क्या होने वाला है, इलेक्ट्रॉन होल पेयर फॉर्मेशन होने वाला है. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट यू आर गोइंग टू गेट दिस डिप्लीशन रीजन की विड्थ जो होने वाली है वो बहुत ज्यादा होने वाली है. एंड योर ल्यूमिन कब होने वाला है, जब आपका पीएन जंक्शन ल्यूमिनस है, यानी कि व्हेन लाइट इज illuminated on this, whenever light is incident on this, then only this is going to happen, then only you will get that electron hole pair formation. So this is the condition why this is happening like that. अब इसकी वर्किंग देख लेंगे. ये था इसका क्या, ये था इसका वर्किंग प्रिंसिपल. तो प्रिंसिपल क्या था, 3 इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स यहाँ हमें याद रखना है प्रिंसिपल के लिए. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, फर्स्ट थिंग कि ये रिवर्स बायस कंडीशन में वर्क कर रहा है, इसलिए यहाँ जो करंट होने वाला है वो रिवर्स करंट होने वाला है. एंड दिस करंट इज गोइंग टू डिपेंड अपॉन व्हाट, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ द माइनॉरिटी कैरियर्स. एक्स्ट्रा वोल्टेज पे ये डिपेंड नहीं करने वाला, इट इज गोइंग टू डिपेंड अपॉन द कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ माइनॉरिटी कैरियर्स. सेकेंड पॉइंट क्या है कि ये करंट जो है रिवर्स करंट, दिस रिवर्स करंट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज डार्क करंट. Okay, and this is called as dark current. Why? Because this current can flow even when the photodiode is not incident, it's not having any illuminated light, light incident nahi hai, then also this photodiode is going to have that reverse current or that dark current. तो इसलिए उसको dark current बोलने वाले हैं. And third important point क्या है principle का, कि whenever this PN junction is illuminated by light, there will be what, there will be electron hole pair formation or electron hole pair generation in the depletion region, जिसकी वजह से हमारी depletion region जो होने वाला है वो बहुत ज्यादा बड़ा होने वाला है, उसका जो एरिया होने वाला है वो ज्यादा होने वाला है, उसकी जो विड्थ होने वाली है वो भी ज्यादा होने वाली है. So that is very very simple working principle of photodiode. Now let's say what is the working, how it is going to work for in this condition. तो सेम डायग्राम में कोई चेंज नहीं है. ओके, दिस इज द सेम रिपीटेड स्लाइड. नेक्स्ट क्या होने वाला है, यहाँ हम लोगों ने यहाँ तक अभी कंप्लीट किया है. सो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर अट्रैक्टेड टुवर्ड्स द एनोड एंड होल्स आर अट्रैक्टेड टुवर्ड्स द कैथोड. तो जब भी लाइट इंसिडेंट होने वाली है, यहाँ जैसे लाइट इंसिडेंट हो गई तो होने वाला क्या है, जो भी आपके फोटॉन्स है दे आर कमिंग एंड दे आर इंसिडेंट एट द सेंटर. आफ्टर दे आर गेटिंग इंसिडेंट एट द सेंटर, all the opposites they are going to attract towards each other. यानी कि हमारे जो electrons है, what they will do, they will start attracting towards the holes which are the positive charge, and all the positive charges are going to attract towards the electron because they are positive and negative, again they will attract. So what will happen, उसके बाद attraction के बाद यहाँ का pair formation हो गया. बाकी जो बचे हुए electrons है, बचे हुए जो holes है, what they will do, electrons will start moving towards the anode and holes will start attracting towards the cathode region of the photodiode. So this is going to happen and you will get more carriers for conduction and the reverse current will get increased. So क्यों ऐसा होने वाला है, because your more carriers will be available. ऐसा pair formation हो गया, बाकी जो electrons बचे, बाकी जो holes बचे, they are getting incident towards the p type, towards the n type, they are getting attracted and after that बहुत सारे आपके पास carriers आ गए, free charge carriers आ गए और इनकी वजह से आपका conduction will be possible and there will be a increased reverse current. So जितने ज्यादा carriers हैं, जितने ज्यादा free electrons हैं, जितने ज्यादा free charges हैं, depending upon that you will have more conduction and more reverse current. So reverse current is going to suddenly increase over here. So as we will see the diagram, we'll understand this. So if you see the diagram over here, तो ये हमारी क्या है, light intensity है, which is plotted on x-axis and the current is plotted on y-axis. So you have the plots. के प्लॉट्स आपके ऐसे हैं कि एक्स एक्सिस पे अपनी लाइट इंटेंसिटी प्लॉट किया है. लाइट इंटेंसिटी क्यों प्लॉट किया है, वोल्टेज वर्सेस करंट का ग्राफ होता है जनरली, बट वी हैव प्लॉटेड हियर इंटेंसिटी वर्सेस करंट ग्राफ. तो व्हाई इट इज लाइक दैट, वेरी वेरी सिंपल रीजन. क्योंकि यहाँ लाइट की इंटेंसिटी पे आपका डिपेंडेंस है. As light intensity is changing, your current is going to vary. So if what we do generally, we plot our independent quantity on the x-axis and we plot our all dependent quantities on y-axis. So our intensity is varying as it is, but our current is varying depending upon the intensity. तो current क्या कर रहा है? Intensity पे depend करने वाला है. So as our intensity is going to increase, our current will also increase. Let's check whether it is happening like that way or no. So if we see the practical graph, this is the graph for intensity versus current for a simple photodiode or a photosensor. What do we see here? If we break this graph in three simple parts, okay, we are going to break this graph in three simple parts. एक होगा हमारा initial phase, एक होगा हमारा middle phase, and होगा हमारा last phase, यानी कि third phase of the graph. So if you see the first part of this graph, what do we see? As the intensity is increasing, बहुत ही कम initial phase में हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं. So as the intensity started increasing, our current is at its some value. It is already at some value. It has not started, it is already at some value. अगर यहाँ हम लोग बोल रहे हैं करंट है कुछ 1 एम्पियर कुछ 2 एम्पियर, तो करंट इज ऑलरेडी एट 2 एम्पियर व्हेन माय इंटेंसिटी वाज 0, यानी कि देयर वाज सम करंट ऑलरेडी प्रेजेंट इन द फोटो डायोड. एंड व्हिच करंट इज दिस? आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू ऑल कि कौन सा करंट होने वाला है यहाँ. जब आपकी इंटेंस लाइट नहीं है फिर भी फोटो डायोड में करंट होने वाला है. कौन सा करंट है ये? अभी अभी बताया था. Yes, which current is that? What is the name of that current? Yes, come on, write and tell me, or you have to speak up and you have to tell me which current is that which is there present in photodiode even when light is not incident. Yes, which current is that? Fast, come on. Yes, fast, you have to tell the answer, everyone. Okay, you have written dark current. Okay, Zian has written. Good. So dark current is the current which is present over here. So because of this dark current, ठीक है, dark current की वजह से क्या हुआ है? आपकी intensity यहाँ 0 थी at the origin, but still you are having some value of current. And because of that, we can see there is a presence of dark current already when light was not incident on this photodiode. So कुछ पार्ट के लिए क्या हुआ है? Even my intensity was increasing, my current was still there. Now intensity was increasing. Let's say उसका value कुछ 2 हो गया है, 3 हो गया है. तो some smaller values तक we are still having that dark current present in the circuit, and it is not at all increasing. But after some time, after some let's say after some increase in light intensity कुछ values तक बढ़ी है, उसके बाद क्या हुआ है? We see there is a linear increase in the value of current. Means light intensity is increasing linearly. It is increasing already, and current has also started increasing, and there is a linear relationship between the intensity and the current at the middle phase of this graph. Okay, at this middle, what do we see? कि current intensity बढ़ रही है, current भी बढ़ने लगा है, यानी कि यहाँ linear relationship आपको मिल रहा है. After some time, after some increased value of linear intensity, यानी कि light intensity के कुछ values के बाद, what do we see? यहाँ कुछ इस point पे अगर आप देखेंगे तो यहाँ हुआ क्या है? Intensity तो बढ़ रही है आपकी, but current has suddenly became constant. Okay, current यहाँ constant हो गया है. Linear होने के बाद एक maximum value तक current has reached, that is called as saturation current. यानी कि यहाँ आपका डार्क करंट था, फिर डार्क करंट से सैचुरेशन करंट तक उसने कुछ रीजन ट्रैवल किया है, कुछ इंटेंसिटी बढ़ी है. So in this phase, current has also increased linearly. But once it has reached that saturation level, that saturation point, which is called as saturation current, at that point we are getting the reversed voltage, and that is now becoming constant. So even our intensity is increasing, current is not going to increase, voltage is becoming constant. So with this part, we are just ending this session. Next session, already it's my own physics lecture. So we'll continue in next lecture. Okay, join at sharp at 9 o'clock. We'll start with that session again.